Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 12, and the chapter name is Indus Valley Civilization. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes, and because once the school will open, I just want all the homework because I have all the records, so it's better that you can also complete your all homework, but you should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. You have a lots of time, so please use the time. If still you have not completed chapter 11, then please complete it, because today see again I am just going to explain you chapter 12. After again this chapter will finish, then again I will give you the exercises related from this chapter. So it's better that you can complete your all homework on time, and you have a lots of time, so you can complete your homework, you can attend your online classes also. For improving your handwriting, you can write down 3, 4, 5, means 3 to 3 page at least to writing, so that your handwriting will improve. Then online class will over, then you can read the chapter also, so that your reading skill will also improve. And please just do it whatever instruction I have given you. And I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand before and after your every meals, so that the germs will kill and it will not go inside your body. Because of these virus we can die also. For our protection, for our safety, we have to follow these all things, so that we can be safe from this corona. This means like COVID-19. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. And you have a lots of time, so please complete your all homework, all the pending homework again, means all the pending work in your copy, and please read the chapter also. So let's start the chapter. I am reading, so please you read with me, and please take out the pencil. So the word, so the line which I told you to underline is the main word, that you should underline it. So once the online class will over, you can read the chapter and you can understood, and you can learn that all topic also. So let us learn now about the another Bronze Age. Yes, in last videos I taught you about the Bronze Age, that the people they use the bronze, and we have a 4 means Bronze Age civilization. The first is Mesopotamia civilization. It is in river Tigris and Euphrates. Then second, the Egyptian civilization near the Nile River. Then the third, the Harappan civilization near the Indus Valley, Indus. And the last is Chinese civilization near the river Huangpu. So about the Egyptian civilization we have learned about, already learned in chapter 11. So this is the chapter of Indus Valley civilization. So the Indus Valley civilization, which existed around 4,500 years ago, means it's just the Indus Valley civilization. It is existed around 4,500 years ago. This is the oldest civilization in India. The Indus Valley civilization, it is the oldest civilization in India. Its remains were buried underground for many years. Two important cities of this civilization were discovered in the valley of the river Indus, Harappa in 1921 and Mohenjo-daro in 1922. So it is the oldest Indus Valley civilization. It is the oldest civilization in India. It's just remains same underground is water for many years ago. And in the civilizations we have two important cities which was discovered in the valley of river. In the valley of river, In the valley of river, the two cities has discovered. You can underline from the two. From two you can underline these all are the two cities which was discovered in the valley of river. So from two you can underline then two important cities. Two important cities of this civilization, of Indus Valley civilization, were discovered in the valley of the river Indus, Harappa in 1921 and Mohenjo-daro in 1922. So from 2 till 1922 you have to underline it. Two important cities of this civilization were discovered in the valley of the river Indus. First city's name is Harappa. It was discovered in 1921, and the second cities of Indus Valley civilization is Mohenjo-daro, and it was discovered in 1922. Later, archaeologists discovered many other cities. After that, the archaeologists they had discovered many cities in the Indus Valley civilization. Harappa was one of the first cities to be discovered. You can underline from since Harappa, because it was the first cities which was discovered in 1921 in Indus Valley civilization. So Harappa was one of the first cities because it's the first. So that's why it is the first cities to be discovered. This civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. Why we call the Harappan civilization? Because the Harappa was the one of the first cities. It can be discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. That is, the that civilization is also called the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization, from since till civilization, underline it. Next line, how do we know about Harappa and its people? Exactly, that how we can know about the Harappa and their people and its people. So we can know about these all things with the help of their sources, which it can help to understand about their location, their cities and the people how they live. So the remains of the cities tell us a lot about this civilization. Exactly, the cities is what cities is like sources, so that we can learn about the Harappan and the people of the Harappan civilization. So the remains, whatever the cities which has remains, and it can tell us a lot things about the civilization. Archaeologists and historians have also found many things. So about the Harappan civilization, the archaeologists and the historians, both they have found many things, such as old bricks, remains of buildings and houses, jewelries, pieces of poetry and seals. So about the Harappan civilization, the archaeologists and historians, they have found many more things like old bricks, then remains of buildings and houses of the Harappan civilization, then jewelry, then pieces of poetry and seals. Seals, it's also made with the soil. So these all the sources of things. With the help of this we can learn and we can understood about the Harappan civilization. The seal is what you can see the underline about the seals. The seal are flat pieces of stone. The seal are flat pieces of stone or metal with carvings of god and goddess, animals and the Harappan writing on them. Seal means The seals are flat. The seals are flat. Pieces of stone or metal with carvings of gods and goddess, animals, and the Harappan writing on them. Seals is what? It's like a coin. It's flat pieces of stone or metal where we can see the god and goddess picture, in fact animal also, and something written in Harappan. So it is also the main source. With the help of these sources we can understood about the Harappan civilizations. Now about the location and the map, you can see the Indian Harappan civilization with a green box here, the extent of the civilization. The green part, it is what? It is the extended part of civilization. The point, the red point is what? It is the Harappan sites. And the dots is what? The all dot is what? It presents the international boundary. So it is an index and it's a map. So about the location that we can see in the next videos. So please guys watch the next videos. Take care. Thank you and have a nice day.